Man, I am super excited about this video here. Hello, my name is Brett with Anvil. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much for joining. Today, I'm just gonna talk about my excitement and how I feel currently because I need to get my computer internal hard drive. I need to get that thing upgraded. I need to do it as soon as possible. I don't like to be laying dormant without a computer. Got a second computer that I can use, but the main computer we're using it consistently for projects, just left and right. So we need to have it up and running. It needs to be running at all times. So I need to get the hard drive updated, or I should say upgraded. I don't know. It's like bare minimum at a 1 terabyte internal hard drive. I'm gonna kick it up to about 3 terabytes. So wanted to let you know my experience with awesome computer repair shop, Shiny Computers. I've shouted them out before in the past. Join with me on this little journey as I'm gonna tell you about their response and what they said and what they said they could do. You know, when you have a product and you need some technical services or you need some work done to it, maybe you just need to upgrade like me. I have just reached out to the computer company. They are a computer repair company, Shiny Computers. Amazing. So I initially called them because I'm looking to upgrade my hard drive. And listen, to everyone, you're going to eventually run out of space. You know, if you have an Apple computer, just get ready for it. If you're not consistently cleaning up your Mac, you're gonna run out of space. So that's what I did. I mean, we have like 250 gigs left of space in a hard drive. That's not a bad thing. You know, I probably could still go maybe another month or two, but I'd rather just deal with it right now because I've got projects I'm working on. I don't want to be stuck with a full hard drive and a slow working computer. So that's just tip number 1, or maybe this is the tip of the day. Make sure that you have enough space. Consistently check your hard drive to make sure that you have enough space. Okay, back to Shiny. So I called them up, and unfortunately they don't have a service, you know, that you can talk to somebody online. I imagine they get 1,000 calls a day, and they just probably wouldn't even be able to work if they had people constantly calling. So I called them. The system was automated, and they're a repair shop, but the guy said, hey, you know, on the automation, he said, you can text us and let us know what's going on. And I was like, you know, the company is out of town for me. I would have to drive like an hour or so there to have my computer hard drive upgraded. I didn't want to take that trip, so I'm like, let me reach out to him before I actually go drive a whole hour and then come to find out the computer can't be serviced. So what I did, I just texted him. I said, hey man, I've got, you know, such and such iMac. I'm looking to upgrade to like 2 or 3 gigs, I'm not sure. But in this conversation, you'll see right here, just like instantly, he responded like in a minute, like he was on his phone, like waiting for me to call. I know he wasn't doing that, but that to me is just the most amazing customer service. All of you guys who have Apple products, you need a solid repair shop or a place you can go to upgrade or to service your computers that you own. Trust me and take my word for it. It's worth the drive. I've talked about this same place, Shiny Computers, in like an old video where they replaced a hard drive. I purchased a used computer, used Mac. The hard drive came to me corrupted. They replaced it the same day. It was like the same day. So this is actually, I mean, look at this. All right, so here we go. I recorded the text messages using my wife's iPhone. Oh, by the way, I don't think too many people were excited about my video I did. I think it was a couple weeks or a couple videos back on the iPad.
So out of all the Apple products, this is the one I'm not really too keen on.
You know, Apple has an army, so people aren't too pleased when you have unpopular opinions, but hey, we're all subject to our opinions. That was just my opinion. Anyway, let's get back into the text message exchange between me and the gentleman at Shiny Computers. So yeah, here it is. I said, I'm looking to upgrade my internal hard drive. I mean, this guy answered like in a minute. He asked me what the size was. I told him what the size was. And we can install it for $249. If you want the 2 terabyte, 3 terabyte is $349, whatever. Like instantly, I was getting responses. This is amazing. So I didn't have to necessarily wait. Of course, I told him here, I said, okay, well, you know, keep it for, you know, whatever the time you need. You know, of course, I want to get it as soon as possible. But since I am taking a trip there, I can just come back another day. it was just easy. Like I got my response that quickly. So I guess I'm saying just make sure you have a computer repair company or computer company, a repair shop, whatever you want to call it, that you can get your computer products service that has great customer service like this, because this is amazing. I mean, this made my whole day. I had to make a video about it because it's so important. I know so many people have issues with their computers. They don't know who to take it to. I'm constantly driving traffic, even to Shiny, because they're amazing. Obviously, they're not all over the United States or the world, whatever. Wherever your locality is, it's important that you probably should have good customer service like this company. So just a quick call to action. If you can subscribe to this page, if you like this video, please actually hit like and subscribe to this channel. As we're providing you weekly updates, I'm giving you the emotional side of me as well as the technical side. Anything we can do in terms of technical assistance, just basic information that you may need. Just join us each week. Hit the notifications so you can be made aware when we come online again. See ya.